Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Huawei Mate 10 Pro. Firstly, go into Play Store on both smartphones and tap on the search bar. Now type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Then click on Open on both devices. Over here you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on an Android. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select receive on Huawei and send on an Android. Following that, you need to click on all of those dots and just send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go into photos, select one of them, choose send and click on get it. Over here we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and tap on receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on this scanning icon on Huawei, just allow and point your camera at the code. Then we need to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo is here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!